everybody! Today we're building a sandcastle. And this is my big brother Amir.
Hi guys! I'm so excited with the sandcastle today.
Alright.
Okay, let's mark the place where we're gonna do it.
Okay?
Yeah. 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 Okay. The first thing that we need is to go get some water. I'm gonna go get some like the flash.
Now we need to put the sand in it.
Yep, okay. So you wanna dig up all the sand or you want me to do it?
Now we can do it together.
Okay, let's do it super fast. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Okay, let's flip it. Drum roll, please.
Maybe we should try it one more time.
The moment of truth.
That's better.
Yeah!
Okay,
Let's go, Amir.
1, 2, 3.
Moment of truth, guys. Okay, so we pretty much have the moat ready.
Got the windows?
Yeah, slide this down. Okay, let's go get the water really fast.
Alright, be careful. Let's go.
Okay, well you're pouring it. I'm just gonna fix it.
Good job.
Now we're gonna do some over here.
Yeah, you're doing a great job with this. Perfect.
My favorite part is putting sand in the bucket.
While Amir's answering questions, I'm gonna go get some more water for the moat.
I want to go too.
Should we come back to the beach tomorrow?
Uh-huh.
Alright, go get some more water for the moat. Ready?
Go ahead and pour it, buddy. There you go. Come on, pour it all in one spot. Pour it all. Don't worry about moving spots. It's all gonna flow.
No! I want to get my toys. Guess what? I'm gonna read and see what we find.
Alright, let's go. Whoa.
What's that? The sign looks all mushy. Ugh. Ew. This is disgusting.
What is this over here?
Whoa! We found a